So in the now next arrangement of lift, whether opposite, whether singular, linear, whether in circular arrangement, okay, the lift should be easily accessible from all the entrance. Okay, for building an apartment, maybe there are more number of openings or entrance. So every entry should lead to the lift space, lift position. Okay, for maximum efficiency, the lifts should be grouped near the center of the building. That is very important, near the center of the building. Okay, it is preferably not to have all the lifts out in a straight line. Okay, it's not good practice. If possible, not more than 3 lifts should be arranged in this manner. Means what? If you have 4 lift in a big building, 2 opposite side on, okay, 2 on left, 2 on right, such that every person can utilize. So one continuous flow, one continuous lift arrangement is not a good practice. Okay, it should not be in a straight line. Okay, it has to kept in mind that the corridor should be wide enough. It should be kept in mind that corridor should be wide enough to allow sufficient space for waiting passengers as well as through passengers. Means during the movement in and out, there may be some people waiting outside, so there should be sufficient space available. Sufficient space available. So arrangement of lift should be done in that way. Passenger lift. What shall be the passenger lift clauses? Where a lift is arranged to serve 2, 3, 4 flats, only small buildings, the lift may be placed adjoining to staircase. The location where it should come for a small building, next to the staircase. Okay, with the lift entrance serving direct to the landings. Wherever the landings are there, so there directly the lift should open up. Okay, for normal flats or the low 3 to 4 flats. For bigger one, all machines and switch gear may be housed in one machine room. That is already there explained. For one machine room only, all the machines and gear things are stable. Okay, the lifts can be interconnected more conveniently from an installation point of view and greater convenience in service owing to the landing openings and each floor being adjacent. What do you mean by this one? If you are providing one big machine room in the top, so all the things are there only. So it is very convenient from the installation point. Shops and departmental stores, how the lift arrangement should be done? Lift in shops and stores should be situated so as to secure convenient and easy access to each floor. That is very important, easy access to each floor. Goods lift, what shall be the condition? The location of lifts in factories, in warehouse, similar buildings should be planned to suit the progressive movement of goods throughout the building. The smooth movement of the goods should be there. In that way, you should plan the arrangement, having regard given to the nature of position of the loading platform, railway sidings. Okay, so these are also should be given importance. Hospital bed lift, what shall be the general condition? Okay, hospital bed lifts should be situated conveniently near the ward. Okay, so the patients or the family members of the patient should not wander here and there. Those all should be near to the ward. Operating theater means any operation already done, so the patient can be taken to lift. From there he can go to the ward. There shall be sufficient space near the landing door for easy movement of the stretcher. Sufficient space for the easy movement of the stretcher. It is convenient to place the passenger lifts in hospital. Okay, passenger lifts in hospital near the staircase. Very important. Near the staircase. Fire protection. What do you mean by this one? Fire protection. To prevent fire from spreading by means of the lift well enclosures shall conform to the requirement given in part 4 of NBC 2005 fire and life safety. So whatever construction you are taking, no, all the construction practice should be in line with this part, should be line in this part to prevent what? Spreading of the fire, spreading of fire through lift well, all the plastering, coating, everything should be fireproof. Okay, The machine room should be constructed of a suitable grade of fire resisting material. Very important. What will happen during the fire breakout? Heat will be there. If all the machine room equipments have been caught fire, total building will get damaged. Okay. To avoid that one, machine room is made fire resisting material. Precautions should be taken to minimize the spread of fire from the machine room into the lift well. Okay. So the precautions have also been taken. Requirements of fireman's lift during in big countries, forward countries, there is separate lift for firemen. Okay, so for buildings having height more than 15 meter or more, at least one lift shall meet the requirements of fireman's lift. Means what? It is a separate electrical panel, separate transportation facility. Okay, everything is separate only, so fire people can go to the top of the building. Electric wiring apparatus. Electric wiring apparatus is what? All electrical supply lines and apparatus in connection with the lift installation shall be so constructed and shall be so installed, protected, worked, maintained that there is no danger to the persons therefrom. All the connections, all the wiring one, all the panels should be installed, protected, worked according to the Electricity Act. That's all. Okay.